So I wanted to make a quick video to show how to make a procedurally generated corrugated metal or a steel sheet like this. So let's go to shading, and we can see it's a pretty simple design. So here, I'll just delete all this. So the main thing is we have this principled BSDF, and it's here, actually let's delete that so the settings are reset. Okay. Now first we want to get the texture, so we want wave texture, bump. I'm doing Shift A by the way to open that stuff. Sorry. Oh, oops, height, not normal. Okay. That's basically that. I want to increase the scale a bit so it looks more like a larger sheet of corrugated metal. And now we can just go to the coloring. So I'm going to have a noise texture and a color ramp. It goes there. Now let's set this to a gray. That looks good. Oh, we want to bump up the metallic on this. And let's set this to like a dark brown, dark red. So it looks a little bit rusted. And you just play with those settings until it gets about how you want it. That looks pretty good, I'd say, for how quick that shader, that material was to make. Thanks for watching.